Let's grab a pencil, come along, turn some numbers into fun. Watch them wiggle, watch them grow, with just a line. Look at them go! 1, 2, 3, 4, magic numbers, draw some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will fly, just you wait. Number 1, a tree so tall, branches stretching big and strong. Number 2, it quacks and goes, a little duck that loves to flow. Number 3, a butterfly flaps its wings up in the sky. Number 4, a sailing boat riding waves, it stays afloat. 1, 2, 3, 4, magic numbers, draw some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will fly, just you wait. Number 5, an apple red, tasty snack for us to get. Number 6, a snail so slow, crawling round it loves to glow. Number 7, a little mouse, running fast around the house. Number 8, a snowman bright, smiling big in winter white. Now comes 9, watch it fly, a little